When should you replace your garage door based on its average lifespan? Replacing a garage door is not based on age alone. The condition of the entire system is just as important. You should consider replacing your garage door when it approaches its expected lifespan, which is generally 15 to 30 years depending on the material, maintenance, and usage. Components such as springs, rollers, cables, hinges, tracks, and openers often wear out before the door itself. Frequent repairs, slow or uneven movement, excessive noise, visible damage, or an unreliable opener may all indicate that replacement is becoming the more practical option. Professional inspections can also identify worn parts and help determine whether maintenance, component replacement, or a new garage door is the better solution. In Phoenix, regular maintenance and timely replacement of worn components like springs and openers can help keep the entire system operating safely and reliably. If you would like guidance on garage door sales or evaluating the condition of your current system, Ampulse Garage Doors can help you determine whether maintenance, component replacement, or a new garage door installation is the right solution.